everybody, Mrs. Bianchi here. We're looking at number 2. The parallelogram has an area of 1 1/8 yards, square yards that is. Use the formula area equals base times height to find the length of the base, B. Show your work. All right, so here's the formula, and let's substitute in the values. Now this value right here is the area, so we're going to put that underneath the letter A. And this would be the height, so we're going to put that underneath the H. And let's finish the expression, the equation. So this is some number times 3/4 would equal 1 1/8. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to turn this into an improper fraction. So let's do that. This is going to be something eighths equals B times 3/4. Now when we get to something, we have to do 8 times 1, which is 8, and then add in this, which is 9. All right, so now we can work with this equation. We have to ask ourselves, whenever we're solving an equation, find the variable and ask yourself what's happening to the variable. And what's happening to the variable, it's being multiplied by 3/4. And ask yourself, what's the opposite of doing that? The opposite of doing that is to divide by 3/4. And when we divide by 3/4, it's the same thing as multiplying by its reciprocal. So we're going to put that over here. And to keep the equation balanced, we're also going to put that value over here. All right, so again, we're applying the inverse operation to solve this equation. Now what happens with everything over here? This all cancels out. If we divide by 4, we get 1. Divide by 3, we get 1. 1 divided by 1 would give us 1, and 1 times b would end up equaling b. So this side of the equation equals b. Over here, let's take advantage of the fact that we can simplify. We have a nice reducing opportunity going this way. Divide by 3 and get 1. Divide by 3 and get 3. Going this way, we can divide by 4. Divide by 4 and get 1. Divide by 4 and get 2. So the only thing left you have to do is figure out what 1 times 3 is, and you're going to put that number right here. Put 1 times 2 and put that number here, and then rethink it as a mixed number. All right, good luck finishing that up.